Hi YouTube, welcome back to Wtf Rc Cars. So we got another vintage Tamiya kit. This one is quite a special one. It's another nitro, but this is the TGX Mk1 and it's the TRF special. I believe the part number on this is 44015. Came out in 1998 and I've been lucky enough to pick up a brand new in-box version. So let's bring in for a close-up look and see what we get with this, what makes it a bit different. So it is a very good condition box. Now, one of the main differences on this, it comes with a whole bunch of hop-up options, but all the plastics, if you've ever seen a TGX, they're all grey, and the TRF special was the only one that came with all black plastics. Unlike the earlier version that had a big aluminium bar what run down the middle here and an alloy plate, this one's a double-decked version. Not sure if they did it to get rid of some chassis twist, and I believe these have come with the silver chassis instead of the blue one. But on the side of the box it does give us a list of some of these special parts. So we got all black plastics, you get the 2-speed transmission, we also get the one-way bearing for the front, looks like we get the ball differential, you get the foam front bumper, lightweight flywheel, aluminium uprights on the rear, the uprated engine mounts, tunable shocks, alloy body shocks and all the tunable springs for it. Let's have a look, see what it comes with inside. So we do get the TRF special stickers, we have the instructions, it does give you a couple of engine choices. Obviously these don't come with the engine. With them being a TRF, they just let you make your own decision on what you need. I think it comes with a lot of bearings on this as well. But you do get the full instructions for the 2-speed. I did have a TGX years ago with the cooling fan on back at motor, which ultimately that cooling fan put a lot of load on bearing on motor on back on, and it killed motor. I think that's pretty much why they're pretty rare, because the cooling fan tended to kill the little nitro engine. They also don't come with a body, these, so I am on the lookout for a body shell. But it does give you an idea of the different types of exhaust you can fit with this. It does tell you to get a failsafe. And I would like to get one of the Nissan Skyline bodies, because that's one of the original TGX I had the Skyline body. And I really did like the look of it. And then it just goes on to tell you how to set the RC up. And then we have all the parts. But we have the black plastic parts, look like the arms, full black plastic chassis. I think that's the holds the batteries. All black plastic bulkheads, looks like they're the hexes. Black plastic wings for the chassis and bumpers. We do have the foams for the wheels. It does come with black spoked alloys or spoked wheels. You do get the air filter and the tank. We've got a gear set and some diff housings by the looks of it. It does come with really nice slick tyres. You've got what look like the standard plastic hubs for front and rear. We have a few more body mounts. I think there's some servo arms or steering parts in there. Got the foam bumper. Got the bottoms of the shocks. And we've got the quite rare silver chassis. Then we move on to the sort of metal parts bag. So parts bag A, we've got metal diff gears, outputs, we've got the aluminium uprights for the rear. I believe that's part of the one-way bearing. So it looks like it's full metal diffs on this. We've got the really nice looking shocks and spring set and all the correct oil for it. We've got parts of the 2-speed, the lightweight flywheel, fuel line and a few other bits. We've got the servo savers. Comes with a small toolkit. Then we have another parts bag with the output shafts by the looks of it, and some bearings, and there are a few bronze bushings. Then we have a bit of piping for the exhaust and the standard drive shaft. So I am going to do a bit of digging and see if we can replace some of these bushings with bearings, because if and when I build this up, I'd like it to have the full bearing kit. A TRF special is not much good without an engine. So, I'll quickly show you what else I've picked up. So, I have managed to find one of the engines which should be correct for this vehicle. So we've got the instructions, we got a glow plug, and I managed to find a brand new inbox. So I believe this is a VR15S engine. This one's not been used, but it is complete with the metal pull start cover. But we've not only got this, we've managed to get the oversized head for it, so we can swap the head for the bigger one, and we have the aluminium adapter for the air filter, so it should look quite nice once we get this in. I'm not really interested in making it the fastest TGX out there. I just wanted it to look nice and have a kind of period correct engine, and with it being the TRF, I just wanted it to have the oversized heatsink. So also to go with that, what we're going to need is the TM-2 header and the gasket and the bolts to attach it, and this is in really good condition. I believe the listings said it was fitted to a Shelf Queen, so it's never been run, and it does look like it's never been run. There's no marks or anything on it, so at least we have the correct gasket and the correct exhaust. And strangely on these, the fuel line feedback for the pressure for the tank just pushes into exhaust. So that's all the engine and the exhaust and everything. The only thing that I'm missing now is a really nice body shell, but hopefully I can pick one of them up at some point. Be really nice to get this built, and it would be nice to run a TGX again. Sound absolutely awesome, especially with this pipe and the 2-speed gearbox. But let's wrap this one up. So there you have it, just a quick look at the TGX TRF Special and the engine that I've decided to go with, and the exhaust pipe. I do like these classic vintage, if you like, Tamiya kits. Not sure when or if I'm going to get a chance to build them all, but I've done a whole bunch of videos now on all different kits that we've got in. So if I can remember off the top of my head, we have the ready to run TNX 5.2. We've got the TXT1 that's a brand new in box kit. We've got the TGX TRF Special. We've also got the Tamiya Bruiser, which is brand new in box. That is a new re-release one. We've got the Avante Black Special Edition and the Porsche 934. So if you want to leave in comments which one, if any, that you'd like to see me build next, and see where we go from there. Thanks again for watching Wtf Rc Cars. If you like this kind of content, don't forget to like and subscribe, hit the notification bell, share to friends and family, and catch you guys again in the next one.